Hello, everyone. It's Mark Dixon from your local Allstate agency right here in Hawaii. Last week's video was all about cute little puppies and the family dog. This week is a little less fluffy and a lot more serious. This is informational, but also a great video for my customers to share to their friends or family members that currently do not have policies with my office. For my customers, we're always happy to review your current policies to make sure that your policy is what's best for your needs and the lowest priced option available. Now, today I want to talk to you about something that's becoming a major concern for many homeowners across the islands, and that's single wall homes. Now, if you own a single wall home, you may have already heard stories from neighbors or friends about insurance companies non-renewing policies or refusing to write new coverage on single wall homes. And unfortunately, those stories are often true. Now, many insurance companies have become much more selective about insuring older single wall homes. But here's the part that really concerns me. This is happening at the same time that NOAA is forecasting an above normal Central Pacific hurricane season for 2026. This is kind of due to El Niño conditions, which typically increase hurricane activity in the Pacific. Now, let's talk about why single wall homes matter with respect to that. Many of Hawaii's older single wall homes were built with single wall construction. They have charm, they have history, and they represent a huge part of Hawaii's housing inventory. But from an insurance standpoint, they can be more vulnerable to hurricane damage. Now, when hurricane force winds arrive, single wall construction often provides less resistance to wind pressure, flying debris, and wind-driven rain than newer double wall or masonry construction type homes. Think about it this way: if you've ever stood outside during a strong Kona storm, you know that rain somehow manages to come at you sideways. Now imagine that with hurricane force winds. Water has a way of finding every opening possible, and then we've seen examples of this before. Hurricane Eva in '82, Hurricane Iniki in 1992, both caused devastating damage in Hawaii, particularly on Kauai, and many older homes experienced severe damage, water intrusion, structural losses. And those storms are still remembered today because of the destruction they caused. But here's the good news. While some companies have stopped writing new policies or are non-renewing existing coverage for certain single-wall homes, all state agencies are still helping many homeowners find hurricane insurance solutions for those eligible single-wall properties. Now, if you know somebody that has received a non-renewal notice, or if you know someone that resides or owns a single-wall home insured with another company, or if you're simply unsure whether you have the right protection, now is the time to review your policy or to have your friends or family call us. Not after a storm is named, not after watches and warnings are issued. Now, best time is to prepare is before a hurricane. So if you'd like to review your policy, have me answer questions, or provide a quote, give my office a call. We're always ready to help. So mahalo for watching. Stay safe. Live aloha. Have a mayhem-free day, and I'll see you in the next video.